Starting from the time when injecting the cowpox virus prevented smallpox, vaccines have played a significant role in mankind protecting us from an immense number of fatal diseases. Let's try to understand how they work. Our human body is attacked on regular intervals by various pathogens consisting of bacteria, virus, fungi, and more. But we hardly feel anything as our immunity is always there to fight and remove them. But things can get serious in case of stronger pathogens. In those scenarios, two very special types of lymphocytes, the B cells and the T cells, come into action. Their main motive is to fight the pathogen and gather information about them. They gather the information and produce a very specific type of proteins which we call the antibodies. These antibodies can be thought of as missiles to attack the pathogens. They have antigen binding sites which bind with the antigens, in this case with the pathogens, and render them inactive. Specific antibodies bind with specific antigens just like the lock and key mechanism. This entire process of gathering information and creating antibodies takes quite some time. Now comes the role of the memory cells or the memory B lymphocytes. These cells remain in the body for quite a long time and remember the pathogen that had once attacked the body. Once the same type of pathogen enters the human body, the memory cells become active and triggers the production of the specific antibodies. Vaccines use this mechanism to their advantage. It tricks the body in thinking that a pathogen has invaded. The vaccines are such that they can be easily neutralized by the body's immune system. There are different types of vaccines. Let's have a look on some. Inactivated vaccines involving killed pathogens, live attenuated vaccines where the pathogen is inactivated, mRNA vaccines involving the mRNA of the pathogen, subunit vaccines involving the portions of pathogen, toxoid vaccines involving the toxins released by the pathogen, and the viral vector vaccines which involves the viral vector to deliver a specific type of genetic material.